Steve Goctina. So it's Legs of Alia, Lanach Cade is a de, page 110. Clár Taistil.
Clár Taistil.
An ine a bhí ann. Bhí mami ag breanú Clár Taistil. Thospáin siad an Spáin agus an rank sa chlár.
Féach na léhananta sira ála.
A dúirt mami le daddy. Wallet dul ag campáil sa rank, a dúirt daddy. Bó-walling! A scrad na páistí le chéile. Thosig daddy agus mami ag gáire.
Okay, this is called Clár Taistil, which is a travel program because they're all watching the television. So on Ina a bhí ann, it was Friday. Bhí mami ag brathnú Clár Taistil. Bhí mami ag fécant Clár Taistil. Mami was watching a travel program. Haspáin siad on Spáin agus on rank sa chlár. So haspáin siad as they showed. Spáin, well that looks like Spain, doesn't it? And agus on rank, which is France. Spain and France in the chlár, in the program. Féach na leitheanta sira ália a dúirt mami le daddy. Look at the beautiful holidays, said mummy to daddy. What lat dul ag campáil sa rank, a dúirt daddy. What lat would you like? Dul, to go, ag campáil, camping in France, said daddy. Bá-watling, we would like. A scrad na páistí le chéile. The children screamed together. Le chéile is together. Thosig, daddy agus mummy ag goire. So daddy and mummy started a goire, which is laughing.
Ceistena. Ceiste hain. Céin lá a bhí ann.
Okay, céin lá a bhí ann. What day was it? Now, to answer that, you start off with the day, and then you say a bhí ann.
Ceiste dó. Tear there a raibh mami ag brathnú.
What was mummy watching? So, bhí mummy, start off with bhí mummy ag brathnú and then you put the answer in.
Ceiste 3. Céir the haspáin siad.
So to start it off, you start with the verb haspáin siad, they showed, and write in the answer.
Ceiste 4. Céir the dúirt mami.
Céir the dúirt mummy. What did mummy say? So start off with the verb dúirt mummy, and then in speech bubbles you can write, in speech marks you can write what she said.
Ceiste 5. Céir the dúirt daddy.
And for that, start off with the verb again, dúirt daddy.